Okay, listen, tune in. I'm not in the hospital and I didn't hijack the patient. The American Standard Diet, it does not give you optimal health. And when you get here, look what they give you. Fatty meat, white bread, sugar. Let's talk about sugar. It's a natural inflammation to the body. It causes inflammation systemically. It causes disease. Sugar, soda, sugar, pudding. It's not milk. It's filled with oil and sugar. And milk can break down as sugar in the body. Apple juice, sugar. Oh, I mean, let's unpackage the sugar. Let's just pour out the white stuff. Sugar. And let's throw on what we think could be a healthy soup to what make us feel better. You need to reboot your body. I'm not saying this is unhealthy, but you need to get your body healthy. In 3 weeks, reboot it, lose weight, a lot of it, look younger, 5 or 10 years younger, feel better, lower your blood pressure. This does not work every day. Take 3 weeks with letitgodiet.com, clean your body.